Welcome back to day 2 of the Barrington Tops Bridle Track or Bust ride, bound for Gloucester, where we'll base ourselves for a few days. We've got an easy 325 k's, a bit over 4 hours riding today, mainly on blacktop, taking Bylong Valley Way, Yarrowa Road and staying off the Golden Highway as much as possible into Sydney. It's then on to Dungog, and there's a bit of dirt and a bit of the Buckets Way as we head north to Gloucester. Loving these smaller regional roads, they are way more interesting and fun to ride.
Yeah, man. I'm videoing too. Dungog.
Yes, I said these smaller regional roads are great, but Shroud Hill Road is a shocker. It soon feels like most of it is a continuous pothole repair. The Buckets Way is a 156k stretch of road taking you off the Pacific Highway, running from just north of Raymond Terrace up to Taree. Apparently it's the second oldest tourist drive in New South Wales. It's named after the Buckets Mountains, rocky outcrops overlooking Gloucester. This is just a small section of it, about 40k's running north to Gloucester. But you'll get the picture. It's a ride through scenic valleys, fields, hills, bits of Aussie bush. It's pleasant, like a warm cup of tea or your comfy pair of slippers. Today was a pretty cruisy day, which ended with another great pub meal. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, because the next few days of riding around Gloucester are going to be epic. Till then, thanks for watching, stay safe and wear a helmet.